Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today you're going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of fraction and ratios. So sit back, relax and enjoy the lesson.
All right, here you go. Now this question says Mr. Tan had some pens, files, and rulers. Okay, again. So I am going to write pen as to make it simple. I'm going to write as pen as P, files as F, R as rulers. Okay, again. So the first thing I say, let the pens be like P, the files be like L, and the rulers I call R. Okay, again, in short. Okay, so let the pens be P. So I'm going to write let L-E-T, let the pens be called P. The files be called F. Is it okay? People understand? And the rulers I call maybe R. So far, can you all jot down and understand? That's all. I never start anything. I'm just saying. Yeah. All right. So the pens is, you see, the number of pens to the file was 5:1. So the pens have like 5 boxes. So the files, if the files is 1 box, yes. So I call this file. Yeah. So if the file, like I say, is 1 box, so the pens are how many boxes? The pens are how many boxes? Anybody tell me how many boxes do I draw for the pens inside? How many? How many should I draw here? 5. Yes, very good. Can I draw 5 first? Wait for me to draw 5. There you go. 1. 2. That's slowly, 3. Yeah, my box is not long enough. Okay, I've stretched this a bit. 4, 5. I hope it's long enough now. So you all understand the first part? I'm going to draw here. Okay, yeah. So the first step says the files is 1 and the pens are 5. Do you understand this picture? I'm just attempted the first line only. Okay, whereby the ratio of the number of pens to the files was 5:1. You can see that the pens have 5, the files have 1. Do you understand, Lisha? So can I write pen is equal to 5F? Do you all understand what I wrote? Now, Kevin, understand what I'm saying? Can you see the picture is 5 times F? Lisha, understand? All right, next thing, after giving away 16 files. Now, what happened to the files? The files is not really the original file. The new file is F minus 16. Do you understand? Because he gave, now here we are, the files is no longer original F. It is F minus 16. Yes or not? After giving away 16 file, what happened to the file? Whatever file I have to minus 16. Do you understand? Do you want what I'm saying, girls and boys? After you give away the file, what is the new file? It's file minus 16, right? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yeah, in fact, it should be smaller than this now, okay? Maybe I draw like not very well drawn. Yeah, it should be like file minus 16 is smaller than the original F, yeah? Shorter, shorter. Can you see? Shorter, okay? Because give away 16. Is it okay? No, shorter. Is it okay? File minus 16. Okay? So the files now, after giving away the 16 files, the ratio of the rulers to the files become 4:1. Now that file is now no longer called F, but the files now is, if you want to versus the ruler, it will be files versus ruler, but the files is not the original files. This is the file. Do you understand, everyone?
Yes.
Original file, because you give away 16, then you go and compare to the rulers. Okay, good. You understand? So after giving away 16 files, the number of rulers to the number of files, which is no longer the original F, but F minus 16 become 4:1. All right. So if this is this file, now it is like this guy, the files it is, the new files are, so this new files now is 4:1. That means this guy is 1. The ruler got how many of this? The ruler got how many of this? If this guy is called 1, the ruler got how many of this? The ruler got 1, 2.
4.
Yes. Can you understand? The rulers is this one. Very good. See, Lisha, understand. The ruler is compared to the new files. This is not the old files, but the files lost 16. This is the new one already, okay? New. This is the old files. Okay, the new files is this guy. 4F minus 16. And the rule has 4. Good. In that case, what can I write? The new files, yes, the new files are, the new files is equal to F minus 16. But what about ruler? The ruler will be what? The ruler will be what? Come on. What can you see about ruler?
4F minus 16.
Wow, so clever. Not minus 16. 4F minus how many? 4 times minus 16, right? Minus 16 one time, minus 16 two times, minus 16 three times, minus 16 4 times, which is what? What is 16 times 4? Minus 16 times 4 will be minus 64.
64.
Yes, 4 minus 64. Understand? That is the situation of the ruler. Yes? And now, you see, suppose stop here, but the guy itchy, not happy, want to disturb you some more. So the rulers at this point will be here. Yes or not? Agree? The rulers is actually 4 times of this, which is 4F minus 64. Everybody understand up to here? Gavin?
Yes.
All right. So now you understand the rulers at this point is 4F minus 64. Everybody understand? Understand, Kevin? Kevin, understand? Now you see, he very itchy. You know, very itchy. He wants to stop there and want to disturb us some more. You know what happened? Look, he go and buy, Mr. Tan, go and buy another 184 rulers. So what happened to the ruler? The ruler has changed again, right? Yeah, this ruler now, is it still R? Is it the new ruler is still R? No, it is R plus what? This is a new ruler.
R plus 184.
Yes, R, the new ruler R plus 184. Yes, but when you do that, what must I do here? Because just now the R was equal to this. Yes, the R was equal to this. Yes, just now the R was equal to this. Now your R plus 184, then what must this one do? You also must plus 184, yes or not? Because just now R was equal to this. Now you go R plus 184, that side also need to plus 184. Do you understand this, Kevin?
Yeah.
Yeah, just now the R was the same as this. I'll show you. Just now the R was the same as this. This R was the same as this. Yes. But now you go add 184 here. Then this guy got to add 184. Do you understand, Lisha? Everyone?
Yeah.
Good. So you understand? I just simplify first. So R plus 184. I just simplify R plus 184 will be equal to what? Equal to what? Simplify this. 4F minus 64 plus 84 is what? Will be plus 120. Can you understand this? Because you minus 64, you plus 84 is 120. Do you understand this step? Do you know why I need to add 184? Everybody understand or Gavin understand? Because it's not R was equal to this. Then you go add 184 here, then this guy also need to add 184. Yes, when you add that, minus 64 plus 184 will become what? 120. Lisha, understand or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Understand, Gavin?
Yeah.
Okay. You see, this question wants files. So we must try to get rid of all the pens and rulers because nobody wants them. We want the files. So we must find rulers and pens in terms of files for comparison. All right. See, now you understand now. Now, here's the final one. As a result, look, because I think here, the final reading for this statement, as a result of buying 184 rulers, right, there was equal number of pens and rulers. That means the pen now is the same as the ruler plus 184. That means the new rulers. Okay, as a result, there was equal number of pens and rulers. Okay, now you tell me. So here, the pens was 5F. Yes, no. The pen no change. Agree or not? Remember the pens here?
Yeah.
Now the pen no change. This is the important step you need to understand. So the pens left is P equal 5 files. Lisha, understand? Because P equal 5 files here. Just now you agree?
Yeah.
All right. The pen must be equal to the new set of ruler. Must be equal to this new ruler. You know, the new ruler is what? The new ruler is the new ruler is R plus 184, right? Must be equal to the new ruler. That was the guy say one. As a result, there were equal number of pens and rulers. That means the pen must be equal to the new ruler. And what is the new ruler equal to? Is equal to
4F plus 120.
is equal to this guy, right?
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, I don't want to confuse you. Is equal to this one, right? Which is equal to this one, right? Gavin, understand?
Yeah.
In that case, they want files, right there. How many files here at first? They want files. That means I just ignore the ruler. How many files he have at first? Okay, so I don't want ruler. So I want to do everything in terms of files. There, pen is equal to 5 files, which is equal to new ruler plus 184, which is equal to this. Yes, no, the pens and the ruler are equal. So the pens is equal to 5F. So what can I write? I just write 5F. Is equal to new pens, right? Which is is equal to new rulers, which is equal to 4F plus 120. Understand, people? Understand? Why I don't talk pen, I don't talk ruler, because I talk files because he wants files. Since the pen is equal to 5F, the new ruler is equal to 4F plus 120. I just say pen 5F equal 4F plus 120. Understand what I'm doing or not, people?
Yeah.
Gavin, understand? Lisha, understand?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Because of that, I cut 4F here, I cut 4F here. Now with files, files is equal to 120. That's all. Because F is the far. Great, that's all. Now, Gavin, done already, Gavin. All right, come. Let's do. At a carnival, each boy received 3 coupons and each girl received 4. Okay, so I write down first. Okay, again, I put boy. Yes. Yeah, put boys. Boy will receive 3 coupons. Girl will receive 4 coupons. Wow, so lucky. Lisha, understand? Each adult
Yes.
will receive 2 coupons. Okay, everybody understand? Understand? So far?
Yeah.
Okay, so there we go. Now there we go. Now I need to draw a box. Okay, so there were so many. See, I've done the first statement here. At the carnival, there were each boy received 3, each girl received 4, each girl 2. See, write it down. Now, choose 7 of the people. Okay, wow, this is all the people. Okay. So 2 out of 7, right? Hello, 2 out of 7, so if this is like, don't have to draw 7 boxes. If this one is like 2 units, 2, okay, 2 units, never mind. Then this one will 2 units of all the people are adults. So 2, 7 were adults. Can you understand? There's 2, 7 were adults. Yes, not. Okay, 2 units were adults. Can you see people? 2, 7 were adults. Then how many units should be here? Are for children. How many units are for children? Come on, how many units? Yes, 5 because 2 out of 7. Gavin understand? Wow, Lisa very clever. Hello? Yes?
Yeah.
And the ratio of girls to the boys was 5:8. What is 5:8? 5:8, 13. So I need to cut this here into, the children must be made of boys and girls. Everybody understand? Okay, I just copy them. This guy boy is 5 times. And then the girl here is 8 times. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Can you understand this? Can you understand this, huh? So far so good?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I got one problem here. I need to cut the 5 unit to become 13 unit. Can you see that? Because here is got 13x. This one like 13x is the same as 5 units. Can you see that? Hello? Do you understand? So I got to write what? From here you can see 5 unit is equal to how many x? This is a real small one. We have to go for the real small one. It's how many x? 13x. Can you see that? 5 unit is actually 13x. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Good. Good, huh? Okay. So x is the smallest of the unit. Well, I taught you what is 2 unit? ABC. How to do? 2 unit is how much? What must you do? 5 unit is 13x. 2 unit is how many x? I want to find the adult one. What do I do with my ABC? Switch around, right? Come on. Switch around means what?
2 on top, 5 below.
You know, 2 on top lah. 2 on top. Write this first lah. Thank you, Lisha. Lisha, come and help Gavin. 5 below times 13, right? Yes, no. So how many x is that? Times, I call it 13x. After the times, it went 13x. This is the real x. That is the small times, not really in x. Do you know what I mean? Girls and boys, times. Yeah? Okay, so how many x is 2 unit? Use your calculator lah, never mind, tell me. Wow, Lisha so good. It's what? 5.2, Okay, don't worry. It's 5.2x, is it? Okay, I trust Lisha number. Lisha very good. 5.2x. Kevin, can you understand? Don't worry, just write all this. So that means there are 5.2x people, there are 5x boys, and there are 10x girls. Do you understand, Nisha? Nisha, do you understand?
Yes.
But then each adult is given, I shall use Lisha green one. Each adult is given 2 coupons. So what you need to do, you need to times again. In terms of coupon, now I want to talk coupon. It's 5.2 X people plus times 2 coupon each. That means total will be 10.4 X coupon. Depend on what X is, I don't know. But I changed already from people to coupons because these are the coupons. COUPONS. Just now the 5.2 is people. Now I times 2 coupons each. Do you understand? I change to this is for the people. This 5x is for the people. The number of adult. But I times 2 now. Then how about the boy? The boy, what do I do? Need to times what? Who can tell me if you understand?
3.
Yeah, the boys is times 3. Can you see now? Hello. Here, the boys were given 3. Lisha, can you see now? So this boy is times 3. Do you understand? So this was the number of boys, but they now times 3, you will have 15x coupons. A total given out. Wow, I got too many times there. I scared you don't quite understand. Okay, can you see in terms of coupons? Do you know what times? This is people. People times the coupons. Kevin, understand or?
Yeah.
Nisha understands? Can you still follow? If you can still follow, then the final one is the girls. The girls in terms of coupon will collect how much? In terms of coupon will collect how much? 8x times?
Times 4.
Yeah. Do you understand? I'm going to do it, yeah? So this one will be in terms of coupons. In terms of coupons will be now 8x times 4, which is
4 is 32.
okay. So a total of 32x coupons was given out. 32x coupons. Okay, and all these coupons were total. He say what? All these add together must total 6601. See, draw and balance. Okay, so far in that case, next thing to do is go and solve the problem. Okay, next thing to do is add up all these and find how many x you got lah. Oh, good. Hello. 10.4x plus 15x plus 32x. How many x you got? Because you add up all these are the total coupons given out. Okay, calculator?
57.4.
Huh?
57.4.
57.4. These are x. X, I don't know how x is the number of will give you people is equal to 6601. So x must be 6601 divided by 57.4. Okay, what is it? Nice number?
115.
Oh, yeah, nice number. So x is 115. Okay, do you in that case? Okay, I don't know what they want, but I better settle everything first. That means adult is 5.2 times 115. Do you understand? How much is that? 5.2 times 115. Yeah,
598.
598. 598 adult. Okay. How many boys are there? 5 times 115. I don't know what your question was. I just write down everything I know.
575. 575.
575. Finally, how many girls are there? There are like 8 times 115. How many girls are there?
920.
920. Okay, good. I don't know what. How many people were there at the carnival? Oh my God. What must I do?
Plus together.
Yeah, lor, plus together. Can you plus together? And that should be the answer. So how many?
1793.
1793. This must be the answer.
Correct.
Correct, right? There you are. Lor. You don't know how to do like that. Lah.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.